Whoa! Oh, okay. I'm gonna need you guys to watch me try to get my umbrella out of, not my umbrella, but my mom's umbrella out of the freaking thunder. Something really dangerous. Oh shit! Oh! Ho ho! Oh, nice. Nice, nice. You dogs aren't coming out. You're staying back in there. Oh! Are the dogs inside? Yes, they're inside. Are you inside? Yes, I'm inside. Did you close the window? Yeah. Oh, why are you kidding me? She calls me again. Calls me every time trying to record a video. Don't worry about me, Mom. I do worry about you, Mom says. Oh, yeah. Oh, bring it on, baby. Oh, I see there's a lot of water coming out from that little behind our satellite, DirecTV satellite in Canada. I don't know how, but that's how. We are having a lot of, it looks like the bird feeders filled up, and flowers, well, I don't need to water them for a long while. Apparently there's a flood outlook somewhere in Mississauga and Toronto, flood outlook for there. I don't see anything out here. Oh, looks this looks fine, just normal rain. Just swooping like just normal rain. No, oh, well, we have a nice little pond building up down there. You can see down there. Oh, we have another nice one. Oh, and another nice one. Get ready. I'm getting wet. Well, this is gonna be one epic video. Yeah, it feels like the lightning. Oh. What if I were to step this out a little bit? Storms. Ooh. Oh, we can already start seeing a bit clear clouds over there. You know, my tripod is fully metal, but I'm not sure if this is a good idea to bring a fully metal tripod out there. Oh! Oh! Oh, nice one! Oh, shoot! Okay. No. That's God telling me not to go outside. But if he's telling me not to go outside, I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, yeah, you're right. I think I saw it over there. Wait. Mad lad here. Even though lightning kills people. You know, by the way, our fridge is kind of acting up. I gotta check the temperature. Seen a good one. No. Oh, it's getting windy. I hope that's not a tornado siren. I don't even remember tornado sirens. Oh! Or I do not want my dogs to come outside. Because first of all, it's raining like heck. Now, what could possibly go wrong with me being outside, huh? I'm just gonna, you know, oh. Am I gonna regret this or not? Haha! That's pretty close, buddy. I think I'm just gonna... Ooh! Maybe I should come outside? I hate it when people keep calling me and I'm missing out good lightning strikes. Shut up, phone. Ooh! I'm gonna go to the front. Yeah, I think there's some good ones already going behind the houses, so I'm gonna go to the front. Let me just listen to this one. I love this. Okay, I'm going to the front now. Okay, so I'm gonna be coming out. My weather radio just went off, but do I care? It's just another severe thunderstorm warning. I'm gonna regret this. All right, genius me at it again. Oh, there were some good ones. Genius. Truck. Nice. My lightning tracker application. Hey, there's lightning nearby. Me. No shit, there's lightning nearby. Power didn't go out yet. I don't think this would be that bad to cause a power outage. Apparently there's some flickers here and there. There's a nice one over there. Oh, nice one over there. Although this thing is still over us, I can still feel the rain. Like... You know what? Never mind that. Ooh. Nice. Mom says, "Don't go outside, honey." Oh ho. Oh, 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 oh.